Hi, how are you? My name is Remember. Today I'm doing sound for an event called Maftown in Johannesburg CBD. So I'm using an M7 mixer, and I'm also using my iPad application to control the mixer wirelessly. And then I have one of my computers running smart, so that if there's like feedback, and also just to make sure that the sound system is sounding with the right sonic signature that is pleasant to the ear. So for me with this software, I'm using this sound card. It's called Focusrite sound card with the input there, which is that reference mic there, which is basically picking up what the sound system is playing. And then this computer here, I just use mainly for if someone comes last minute and they've got their music, I must play it, I just plug it in there. And then these two iPads, I basically use them as CD players. Like for example, if there's a gap in the show, I just touch a button, music plays, and then I just use it as fillers. So one is the main player, two is the backup. So now our sound system that we're using is called VDOS. It's an L acoustic system. It's like basically one of the best sound systems in the world. And what L acoustic system has is this nice, very amazing software here. So basically, this software here is the software that you use to basically control the whole system. So from here you can see the inputs. You can basically see where the gains are. And then from here as well, you can do settings like EQing of the whole system, and also setting like sometimes we need to set sometimes we need to set delay times for the speakers, like at the right at the back of the venue. So basically that's it. So I'm just gonna take you on a quick walk, and then I'll just make you see what more we have in the venue here. Okay, cool. So now it's okay. So basically now I'm just gonna walk you through, and then we see what we have here on the setup. Okay, cool. So you can record as we walk. Okay, cool. So basically this is our venue, like all of this space here is our venue. And basically with our setup, we've got these speakers here that are basically acting as our delay speakers to just help add a bit of intelligibility at the back of the venue. And then now when you look at the stage, you can see our stage, you can see our hangs, one on that side, one on the other side. So we've got 12 videos hangs, and then we've got on the bottom of the videos, we've got 2 DVDs, which are working as like the more of covering the first part of the front part of where our audience starts. So yeah, just gonna take it quickly. And then we have our subs, our SB28 subs that you see there. So we have a total of 16 subs. And we have 8 aside. So now we're gonna go on stage. Basically from here, you can see our video strings there, 12 of them, yeah. And then you can also see our subs, 8 of them, yeah. So basically with a setup like this, one of the key things to be watchful of is basically how the subs and the speakers on top are aligned in terms of time, so that they all play at the same time. And for you to be able to do that properly, you use a software called Smart, and then it helps you calculate that time delay you to put into the system. So you can come and just look at the stage quickly. basically from here we're sitting on the stage view, and then when you're on stage, then you look into audience. This is how it kind of looks. The stage is really beautiful. You can take some, the stage is also really, really beautiful. And what's being used on the stage is also these like rolling risers. Yeah, cool. So basically what they have on stage is like these risers which have woods on them that they bring in drums and guitar and whatever depending on the act that's happening. But for now, that is it. If you have any more questions to do with sound and things like that, feel free to send me an email and remember Chaitezvi.com and I'll answer it for you. Thank you very much. Have an amazing time.